In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a download link instead of email. If you want to share files quickly without typing recipients' addresses, a link is perfect. It keeps things fast, flexible, and easy to reuse. First, head to the WeTransfer website. On the main transfer window, look for the plus button and click it to add your files or folders. You can select one large file or several smaller ones. They'll all be bundled into the same transfer. Double-check file names and total size so you're sending exactly what you intend. Next, open the transfer settings. In the bottom left corner of the window, you'll see a three dots icon. Click it to reveal the sending options. By default, WeTransfer often prepares an email transfer, but that's not what we want today. Switch the method to a link. Choose Get Transfer Link, sometimes labeled Create Link, instead of Email Transfer. This change tells WeTransfer to generate a shareable URL rather than asking for recipients' addresses. Before you send, you can add a title or a short message. This is optional, but it helps the people on the other end understand what the files are about. When you're ready, click Get a Link or Transfer, depending on which button appears in your view. WeTransfer will begin uploading your files to its servers. Note that if you aren't logged in, you may be asked to verify your own email address with a one-time code. This is just to confirm you're a real sender and keeps transfers secure. Watch the progress bar as the upload moves toward 100%. Keep the tab open and your connection stable during this part. Closing the page will interrupt the upload. As soon as it completes, WeTransfer will display a unique URL for your transfer. Click Copy Link. You now have a single, clean address you can paste anywhere, into a chat, a text message, a project management thread, or a social media DM. Recipients can open the link and download the files directly without any emails involved. For best results, share the link promptly, and if your content is time sensitive, let your recipients know to download it soon. If the link is for a public post, make sure there's nothing confidential in the files or file names. That's it. You've created a download link instead of an email transfer in just a few clicks.